Hey guys, Eric here with Lyrical Couture. It's my website. I have lots of different t-shirt designs. Today I'm going to show you how to make some right from your phone if you are out with your wife or whatever and don't feel like walking around with her and you just sit in the car or whatever. So for Red Bull, for an example, or merch by Amazon, I like to use Logo Pit Plus. And this design I'm showing today is one that can be scalable. You can put different sayings with it and just use the same image for probably like thousands of different t-shirts or wherever you're putting the design. But so I go to Logo Pit. I've already downloaded this. I mean, it's simple. It's just a barcode. I had to put the made in, and then you're gonna want to put where. Now, there's another YouTuber. He goes by what is his name? He goes by The Money Game. I'll put his link in the description. He's got some pretty good information. I'll actually put the description to his video that is what I'm showing you now, but for PC. And he does a couple more things in it to make it easier, but mine is just for if you're out and you're bored and you already make t-shirt designs, so you might as well just make some more on your phone. So this Money Game guy, he was just saying, like, you can put made in China, made in Texas, made in, you know, all these different states or countries or cities, or there's so many different options. But since I'm the funny guy that I am, I'm gonna add made in the sorry guys, just want to make sure it sounds right. Oops. Oh, jeez. Made in the back seat. I wonder if I should put a car in the back seat of a car. Sure. It's gonna be long, but whatever. Make it go the whole length. Bold. Made in the back seat of a car. Then you click download PNG. I like to scale as big as you can hear. I don't know why, because I just resize it online. I'll show you that too. You don't have to change the name of it, but it's easier to find. Man, shave your nuts, people. Girls don't like them in their mouth. Alright, now, that looks a little slanted, or it says the back seat of a car. It looks like it's going down to the right a little bit. Right? There. You know, I'm not going to type everything in. Boom. There. Now to make this white, I just use the photo layer, because you're going to want to be able to put the image if you have the image in white, then you can put it on dark t-shirts, and if the image is in black, you can put it on light colored t-shirts. So I then close this out, photo layer, lower background image. See, I already made one that says made it in the bedroom. Gallery. I have so much crap on here. You just simply load into this app, hit color, brightness all the way up, turns it white, then hit save, finish. Done with that. Now, certain websites that don't have apps, I'll just put them on my home screen. Resize Pixel, this app I think is pretty good, or this website. It's free. You can make the picture the size you need. Upload new. Image. It's right there. Now, I turn off fixed aspect because it needs to be changed. I'm going to give it dimension. I use the dimensions for merch by Amazon. 4500 by 5400. I just use that pretty much on all of the apps or websites or whatever. Resize. Wait till the go to download gets darker. Like that. Image. There you go. It's the right size. You can see it at the top. And then you can just upload it to wherever you want. I suggest going to the web browser. If you have the app, the Redbubble app, I tried to upload through there. I don't really think you can. It's more to like purchase or manage your t-shirts or whatever. So go to the web browser, type in Redbubble, click on it there, change it to desktop, and then it lets you upload that way. But there you have it. It's pretty easy to do it from your phone. If you got any questions, you can ask in the description. I'm going to give you the link to this guy. He's got some pretty good information too. You can check him out. But my name is Eric Shields. I have the website Lyrical Couture that I came out with. It's just starting out, you know. Just an idea I had where t-shirts or whatever I have designed is lyrics or instruments or anything like that about music. I love music. And that's about it. If you like it, like it. If you want to follow me. But I'm not going to lose any sleep over it. I'm just doing this because I think people should know how to use different apps on their phone to make some t-shirt designs. And hopefully I'll check you guys later. Peace.